Want to create these clean animated progress bars in DaVinci Resolve? Let me show you the easiest way to make them in just a few minutes. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create these simple and professional looking progress bars in DaVinci Resolve. They're super clean, easy to customize, and perfect for YouTube videos, tutorials, reels, and more. So let's get started. First, drag a Fusion composition onto the timeline. Then switch over to the Fusion page. Now press Shift+Space on your keyboard to open the Select Tool menu. Search for a background node and add it. Then connect it to the Media Out node. You'll now see a black screen in the viewer. Let's change this color to white from the Inspector tab. Next, press Shift+Space again and add another background node. Connect it to the first background node. This automatically creates a merge node. Now change the color of this second background node to green from the Inspector tab. After that, press Shift+Space once more and search for a rectangle node. Connect this rectangle node to the first background node. With the rectangle node selected, go to the Inspector tab. Increase the width and reduce the height to turn it into a bar shape. Then slightly increase the corner radius to make the edges smooth and rounded. Now duplicate this rectangle node and connect the duplicated version to the blue input of the merge node. Once that's done, select the duplicated rectangle node and reduce the border width from the Inspector tab. You'll now see a clean white border appear around the progress bar. Next, with this duplicated rectangle node selected, press Command+C or Control+C to copy it. Then press Command+Shift+V or Control+Shift+V to paste it as an instance node. An instance node inherits all the properties from the original node. So if we change one property, the other updates automatically as well. Now connect this instance node to background 2. With the instance node selected, go to the Inspector tab, right-click on the center property, and choose DA instance. This removes the connection for only that property, allowing it to work independently. And now, when we adjust the center property, it behaves exactly like a proper animated progress bar. Now let's animate it. Go to the very first frame and add a keyframe to the center property of the instance node. Then decrease the center value like this. Next, move a few frames forward and increase the center value to animate the bar filling up. To make the animation smoother, go to the Spline tab and select all the keyframes. Then right-click inside the spline area, go to Ease, and choose out Cubic. This gives the animation a much smoother and more professional motion. Now let's make the progress bar look even better by adding a drop shadow. To do that, select the merge node and press Shift+Space to open the Select Tool menu once again. Search for drop shadow and add it. The drop shadow node will automatically connect itself between the merge node and the Media Out node. Now, with the drop shadow node selected, go to the Inspector tab. From here, you can customize the entire shadow effect by adjusting parameters like shadow strength, drop angle, drop distance, blur, and even the color of the shadow. And now, if we go back to the edit page, we'll have our very own transparent animated progress bars in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to place this animation over a background, simply move the Fusion composition one track above and place any background footage or image underneath it. And that's how you can create these simple progress bar animations in DaVinci Resolve. Now, if you want to learn how to create these super simple and amazing cutout transitions in minutes, then check out this video next. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Happy editing!